In this video, I'll show you how to create a group on Roblox. Creating a group costs 100 Robux, so you'll need to make sure you have enough Robux in your balance. If you don't, click on the Robux icon on the website and select Buy Robux. Select the amount of Robux you want to buy. Since I only needed 100 Robux, I bought the cheapest option, which was 400 Robux. Now, click on the Groups tab here in the sidebar of the Roblox website. Then, underneath the list of groups, click on Create Group. If you haven't joined a Roblox group yet, you may see this page. Just click on the Create Group button over here. Enter a name for your group as well as a brief description. At the time of recording, you're unable to change the name of your group once it's created, so make sure you're happy with your group's name. Now add an image for your group's emblem. This image will appear on the group page as the icon. Next, you need to decide whether you want any Roblox user to be able to join your group, or only specific users who you can choose. For example, if you only want your friends to be a part of your group, you choose manual approval. With manual approval, any users who join the group are pending until you accept them through the group admin panel. With anyone can join, any user can join the group. Now, click on the green button to purchase your group. Then click on Purchase. If there is a group already using your name, you'll be asked to change the name before you can proceed. If this is the case, simply decide on a new name and click the Buy button again. If you selected manual approval, then to accept pending users, you'll need to go to the Group Configuration panel. To do this, click on the three dots on your group page and select Configure Group. In this panel, we can configure aspects of our group, such as the emblem and description. We can also accept new members into the group if they're pending. Click on the Members tab on the left sidebar, then select Requests. Here you can accept all, decline all, or individually accept or decline members into your group.